Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Temu to TikTok shop. Now step 1 is just go to the temu.com website and open your store and select your product. Like let's say I select any of the random product, like let's say this is my product that I want to link or sell on the TikTok shop. Just select it and just click on this share button and just copy the link. And once the link is copied, make sure to also save some of the pictures as well. You can take the screenshot, that is your choice. And once the screenshot is taken, 2 to 3 pictures, take screenshot. And after that, just go to the TikTok app. And once you head to the TikTok app, just go to your profile, and from this section you can just upload directly the in the form of reel. And like that is the only way you can do it. Otherwise you can just click on add bio and add a link of your Temu shop in this section as well. Now if you're looking for any direct way to connect Temu to TikTok shop, like there is no direct way. There's no official link between Temu and TikTok, so only way is you can either add bio in like add link inside the bio, or you can just click on this plus button inside it and you can just continue, allow access, and you can just allow these things and upload your picture and add some music. And just in the comment section you can add the URL of that Temu direct product. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.